lang. So let's go.
So on day 1,
and we're gonna do a lot of
iskisit, gagawang paron. Ito.
Ang dadaanan natin. Ito, ito. Makita nyo guys, sa matarik na matarik. Grabe. Saratin na natin. The best. Dapat pinbot talaga. Mana. No. Amazing morning, everyone. So ngayon guys, pupunta naman tayo ng Halong Bay. Yay! Ayan. So ngayon, bali November 1 yung flight namin pabalik ng Pilipinas. So ngayong araw na to, activity namin papunta doon sa Halong Bay. So ang pagkasabi ng pamangkin ni Commander ay nasa cruise ship. Nasa cruise ship kami.
Yes, thank you so much for this wonderful experience. Napakasaya namin mag-asawa dahil yun nga, binigay na opportunity sa amin pagbakasyon kami dito sa Hanoi, Vietnam. First time na makarating kami ng Vietnam guys. Ayun, so kahapon galing tayo sa Sapa. Ngayon naman kagabi kami bumalik. Tapos ngayon mag-tour naman tayo papunta doon sa Halong Bay. So doon may bangka at saka tingnan natin mga view na napakagandang mga views. So yan lang. So let's go. So on day 1 po namin is nasa-release kami ng train. Sa day 2 namin doon sa Sapa. Day 3 doon sa village. Then ngayon is day 4 sa cruise daw kami doon sa Halong Bay. So tomorrow di ko sure kung saan na naman kami dadalhin.
Sa Ninbi.
Yeah, sa Ninbi. Yes,
Ninbi.
Thank you so much for this great opportunity. Thank
you Lord, and God bless to all. Ayan. Ito na guys, yung ating bus sa sakyan, Halong Bay, Sinata. So ayan. Ayan, palis tayo. Ganda lang ba sila guys?
Kay Pabla dito, ha? Kasi naghanap kami.
Yeah, si Pa Uncle Bob na si Auntie Dana.
Pag sweet right na to, lagi nagkanilapan eh.
We learn to farming rice from the Philippines. Yes. But now we export the rice to Philippines. We are the second biggest exporter in the world now because we are the weather is suitable. We are living on the side of the Red River and also the Mekong River Delta. Then we can farming for the rice. Yes. So we see in the front of it, we had a very old gate. Yes, this one named Old Quan Chua. Yes. There are more than 10 gates like this surrounding our old capital city. Yes. And this is the only one left from the past. The only one left. Things changing because of the war, because of the weather, but mainly affected by the war. Yes. So now we are around the old quarter. Yes. Very narrow area, right? Yes. Very narrow area. Yes. So let me introduce our driver for everybody. His name Mr. Tien. Yeah, xin chào. How to say greeting in your language? Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah. So we want to greeting everybody. Yes. Our driver name Mr. Tien. T-I-E-N. Yes. Tien. In our language mean prosperity. Yes. Moving forward. Yes. And Wutik. Yes. Mr. Tien is also have a nickname Mr. Sunny. Yes. The sun is gonna bring us to where have a sunshine. Sun is shining everywhere he go. Yes. And today we are going to Ha Long Bay with our driver, Mr. Tiet. Yes. And from here we go to Ha Long Bay. It takes around nearly 3 hours.
3
Far
hours.
away, right?
Okay.
150 kilometers. Yes. And we go with me. You can call me Tao. Tao. Thao. Tao. It's easier if you call me with the nickname Mr. Tiger.
Tiger.
I am look like Mr. Tiger Woods. Famous golfer. Yeah. But I never play golf before. Yes. I only working. Yes. In Vietnam, the golf is for the rich man. Yes. And he go there to find a beautiful woman. Yeah, for dating. Yeah. Now, so everybody, we look to the side of the bus. You can see a very beautiful decoration. Do you know what type animal there? That's the dragon. And the number 1010, 1010, 2010.
Yes.
Do you know what does the number mean? The year when we built the capital city here in the past. Yes. So 1,000 years ago, we start to separate from the Chinese. Yes. After the Tang dynasty in China broken. Yes. Before that, we were 1,000 years under the domination of the Chinese. Yes. So we were occupied by the Chinese for very, very long time, 1,000 years. Yes. And beginning of the 10th century, when the Tang dynasty in China broken, the Vietnamese were separate from the Chinese. Because when the Chinese Tang dynasty broken, it became 10 small kingdoms. And then there were civil war in China. Yes. And the Vietnamese separate, but the thing still influence from China. Like if you go to the temple, you may see the Chinese character, right? Because we use that system in the past, we are using the lunar calendar like the Chinese. We're using the Chinese Buddhism, Chinese Taoism, and the Confucianism. Yes, Vietnamese like to drink tea, like to play the Chinese chess, play the Tai Chi, and we look quite similar to the Chinese, right, with the culture. But since the 19th, 20th century, Vietnam was colonized by French. So we also get the more influence from the French and European culture. Yes. So when we are look to our left hand side, we can see a very old bridge. Do you know what the bridge name? That one named Long Bien. Long Bien means dragon tail. Yes, dragon tails. And that one is the part was the first bridge crossed through the Red River. It was built by French. Yes. So the first name was Dume. Yes, Dume. The bridge was built from the beginning of the 20th century. 1899 start to build. 1901 complete. Yes. It's the bridge for the train. The train go from Hanoi to Haiphong, Port City. Yes. And the motorbike and scooter on the side. So this way we can go to the border between Vietnam and China. We go to Sapa. If you go to Sapa, you went there, right? So on the side of the bus, you will see the river. Yes. So we are following the river. Can go to Lao Cai and go to Sapa. So 360 kilometers away from Hanoi. And there is a head border between Viet and Chinese. Yes. And then go to the opposite side. We go to the Gulf of Tonkin, 150 kilometers. So we reach to the Tonkin by South China Sea. And from there we can go to Hainan Islands. And we just go to Philippines, very close. Yeah. Yes. Very close. Yeah. So is this the first time you go to Vietnam? First time, yes. I hope you had very special experience, very special holiday in our country. So when did you come to Vietnam? When?
27.
27.
Yeah.
So today is the 13th, right? So we had already 3 days here.
Yes.
So 2 days, one night in Sapa,
Yes.
Yes,
Did
when
you
I
go
did
to
today.
Pansipang Mountains? No.
No.
You go to the village. You go trekking with the beautiful
Yeah.
Hmong lady, right?
A village.
So, I also like to go to Sapa. Especially, I like the music instrument of the
Yes,
Hmong. That's the
Kat-kat.
flute. Yes,
Kat-kat
yes.
village.
So, I taught myself for that performance. I gonna perform some song in the afternoon at the cruise. Yes, I hope you will like it. I gonna costume like a Hmong man and play the Love Market song. Yeah. In Sapa they have the Love Market. I mean at the night time, in the full moon. Yes, the boys and the girls come and then they play games and they can find the love. So we call the Bakha Love Market. Yes, yes, Love Market. In the full moon, every full moon. Full
Every
moon,
full-
it means the lunar calendar 15th of. Yeah. Now is the end of the
Every
month.
15 of the
At
month.
this time we end of the September and soon come to October. Yes.
Okay.
So I mean next 15 days will be the love market. Yes. In the full moon night. Yeah, when
Full
the
moon
moon
month. Okay.
is very bright. Yes.
Full
Full
moon.
moon. Full moon. Yes. Yes. Yeah. To find the lover, right? Yeah. Yes. So we today go to Halong Bay. Is a very beautiful place of Vietnam. I mean the most famous place. Yes. And
Most famous.
it's located in the northeast side of the country near Guangxi province of China. Yes. So you go there and we can go to the cruise and have a lunch at the cruise. Can you eat seafood?
Yes.
Everybody can eat seafood, right?
Yes.
None of us have food allergy.
No.
No, all right.
Take a medicine.
So we will try a big buffet. That's with
Yeah.
many seafood options. Yes. We also can try my type of meat, salad, yes, and soup. And also we do have the vegetarian option. And we had the tour with the other tourists from the other buses.
Yes.
Some of them maybe come from India, from Korea, from Japan, from
Other
other
nations.
countries, from Europe as well. So there are many different nationality in the cruise, and with the different nationality, they wanna try different type of food. So that is why we make a buffet with many selections. We can go to pick the food we like, yes, and go to enjoy at our table. With a group of 18, I think they're gonna set up for us 3 table of 6 people. Yes, and then we have a lunch included in the tour. However, the drink it is not included. Yes, we had a bottle of water to give everybody in this morning. That is a complimentary drink. But the other drinks in the cruise is chargeable. It means we can make an order and pay for the stuff at the cruise. If you want to pay together, or if you want to pay separate, please let the staff know. Yes. Normally they're gonna put the bill in for the group. So if you want to pay separate, you should let them know. Should be paid by cash or even credit card. Credit card is fine.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. And we're gonna do a lot of very beautiful with decoration light. Yes. So we had a rich group named Vin Group. Yes. They own the VinFast car company. If you see a car with the Vin logo, yes, that is a Vietnamese car. It's the first company. Many trees fell because of the strong wind. So everybody has breakfast, right?
Yeah.
That the traffic can get stuck. Yes. So the second stop in Halong Bay, that is the place. Yeah. If you can see, yes, the river port. So the river named Bạch Đằng is related to the history. 1,000 years ago, the Vietnamese and the Chinese had a big battle war in this river. Yes. The Vietnamese people live here, so they know the tide level change very fast in the river. So they put the wooden stake under the riverbed. In the low tide, they come and then leave that thing in the water. And in the high tide, the wooden stake will cover under the water. And when the Chinese came with a big fleet, we just fight them and wait for the tide coming down. Yes. And many Chinese ships got stuck. We kill half the navy of the Chinese because people are quite smart. And to trap the fleet of the Chinese by this way, and the Chinese fleet got stuck and sink on the river. In a smart way is to put the wooden stake to the riverbed and wait for the tide to come. The Vietnamese used to use a small boat. The Chinese have a big ship. That is why it's hard to move in a narrow area. Go to Ninh Bình. It's a beautiful countryside. It has a nickname Ha Long Bay on land. This is a mountainous area with many limestone mountains south from Hanoi. 100 kilometers only, not so far. So
100 kilometers from Hanoi.
when we separate from the Chinese, people gather to Ninh Bình, a shelter area, and it is a wood to defense. And we build a newborn country named Ba Co Viet, the big Buddhist country of the Viet people. Yes. And then we were there in 42 years. And until the year 1010, the king and the people start to move to Hanoi nowadays, and build the new capital city named Thăng Long, Dragon, ascending to the heavens. So the old name of our capital city was Thăng Long. Thăng Long in Chinese say Shang Lung. Thăng means from the heaven, flying to the heaven. From the earth, flying to the heaven, and Long means dragon. The Viet people believe that we are children of a king dragon. His name Long Quân, and a fairy named Âu Cơ. So when our king saw the dragon flying to the heaven from the side of the river, the Red River, so he starts to move the capital city where we have the dragon, yes, where our father stayed. Yes. And we start to build the capital city Thăng Long. Yes. And after like around 3 rivers surrounding our capital city. That is the Red River, Đáy, and Great River. It's great the big delta. It's good for farming rice. Yes. In our language, it's changing. In the past, we use the character like the Chinese. But since our countries were colonized by French people, and a lot of things changed. I mean, also the system of language also changed. When the French came, it means more missionary came from Europe, go to Vietnam. The missionary came from Portugal, Italy, and French. Yes. They came with Christian. Yes. So Roman Catholic, yes.
Yes.
They came to Vietnam and start trying to learn the character of the Vietnamese, but it was so difficult. So the people decided to hear the Vietnamese people speak, and then they gonna use the Latin alphabet with some tonation like Chinese, like the old Greek, and then create a new type of written language using the system alphabet. Yes. So we call that is the Quốc ngữ. Yes. So in that language, using 6 tonations to create the meaning of the word. We can say ma, 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 ma. It's so difficult, right? And we say faster like ma, 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 ma. Yes, very difficult. With a different tone, gonna create different meaning. For example, we say Hanoi, right? Ha, no, and Ha Long Bay. Ha and Ha very similar. Yes, the same combined with letter H and letter A. Yes, So we can say
But different
Ha,
meaning.
it means the river.
Ha.
If we say Ha,
Nan.
it means from the heaven
Heaven.
descending. Yes. So opposite with Thang in Thang Long. Ha Long means descending dragon bite. Yes. Yes. So
Yan ang symbol niya.
Symbolize. Okay. Nice.
to the family, bring the good luck, yes, and also symbol like the king. So all the legend in Vietnam related to the dragon, yes, even Ha Long Bai, the descending dragon Bai, yes, and there
This man.
at the seabed from the dead creature like shellfish or coral, yes, and around 240 million years ago in the Silurian era, there was a tectonic activity. It brings the oceanic crust go closer to continental crust, and the movement of surface of the earth and the continental, yes, create the earthquake and volcano. Yes. The volcanic activity is the main activity, bring Ha Long Bai from the deep sea, raising up to become the highland mountainous area, like nowadays. The whole region going up from the sea, yes, because of the tectonic activity, and the island start to appear in the middle of the bay, in the sea. Yes. It's create nearly 2,000 of the island, 1,969 islands. Yes. It creates a living environment for all the local people. The fishermen live here all year round. If you can open the curtain higher, yes, we should see on the side. That is a corner of Ha Long Bai up here. Yes, and we also see a fisherman village outside. Fishermen live in Ha Long Bai all year round, generation by generations, and they mainly do fishing and also fish farming. Yes, income from fishing. Yes. So most of them in the past lived there, but nowadays most of them are living inside in the seashore, because our government start to have a project, and step by step we remove the fishermen to the mainland. We give them some small house for free. Yes. Then their children go to school, where we can see the oyster farm here, where had the bamboo stick. They're hanging the oyster in the water, in that one bamboo stick, and in here is very suitable to grow up oyster. Sometime in the years, they buy 1 kilo of oyster, only need to pay $1 for 1 kilo of oyster. It's very suitable for most kind of oyster, even the oyster from South Sea, yes, Tahiti River, or Akoya oyster, yes, from Japan.
Going to
That is why the Japanese start to came to Ha Long Bai, and they start to cultivate the oyster to make the culture pearl. So they are made.
Control Island. One of the island in the 1969. And then we started to come out to the central of Ha Long Bai. In the central of Ha Long Bai, the UNESCO World Heritage Site. It was recognized in 1994, 20 years ago, by UNESCO, strongly protected by UNESCO. Here, Long Island. Yeah. Here for hiking or swimming. And we go to a cave for kayaking or bamboo boat or speedboat activity. We go to a salt cave or the surprising cave, and walking in the big cave. Yes, then we on the way having bike. We are seeing the sunset and the sunset party, happy hour. And until nearly 6 p.m. we are here. And then go back to Hanoi around 8:30 in the evening. So in Ha Long Bai there are several background areas where they are farming oyster.
the shelter area to make the prawns. Now we can go to see the process over there.
Okay.
We have the many type of oyster shell. This one is an Akoya oyster. It's from Japan. Now it's very popular in here. They have some oyster like the South Sea or Tahiti River oyster. So they start to roll up the oyster and wait them when they 2 years old. Like this side, this means around 2 years old.
Okay.
2 years old start to cultivate the pond. So they are living inside kind of the cages like this in the sea.
Galing, no?
So, pwede mo ikis-kis-kisis, gawin mo ng paron.
Oh,
Kis-kisin, gagawang paron. Ito.
Just cut small parts of the oyster near the shells. The outside part near the oyster. This one they call the mother of the prawn. They call the mother tissues. And here is the anti-bacterial medicine. So put here and kill the bacteria. Yes. And then it turns to the red color like this after they put the anti-bacterial medicine. This one mother of the prawns. And this one is the nucleus of the prawns, the cause of the prawns. In the natural, you know, when oyster eat, yes. So maybe a sand or stone stuck in the body of the oyster, and the oyster gonna surround it and make it prawns. But the natural prawns is not put in the shape because the thing inside not in the round shape. So in the counter way, they cut the shells of the oyster, freshwater oyster, cut shells into small pieces. This is the shells of freshwater oyster. Cutting into small. There is one nucleus of the prawn. And then they had the 2 years old oyster and start to cultivate. We can go here and look. Start to open the oyster mouth. This oyster is 2 years old. Like a surgery, like a doctor. So you're gonna open oyster and then cut small hole in the stomach and then start to do the implant process. First put the mother of the prawns inside that place and then put the nucleus of the prawns to the same area. So the mother of the prawn gonna surrounding to make the first layer, and then the oyster gonna surrounding it by the other layer of the prawns. So it's slowly. We're gonna take 2, 3, or 5 or 6 years. It depends on the type of oyster. Very slowly. So this is the Akoya oyster. Gonna take a shorter time, 2 to 3 years. And the South Sea or the Tahiti River oyster gonna take 5 to 6 years. If you want to see it close, you can go behind the lady. See it?
Nilagyan niya ng red.
Para may itch. Of them live or putting out. And only 2-3% success to give us the quote.
Inside is still there.
And most of them
That's like cool, yeah.
bad quality. Yes. very bad quality.
So generally,
This
it's
one is
natural. I mean, the
only to make the cosmetics
and then
or
the
the cheap
natural layers.
It has the powder.
Okay. So these are no good?
Not really
Like
good.
this,
No,
lighter.
because they've got...
But they can use
And the
these
wood,
to make
wood
the
shape one.
Okay. Oh, I see.
So now,
So the really good ones they can sell,
I have here
and then the not so good ones they can use
like
as free.
the Aqua oyster make this color. It's similar
Oh,
to the
you can
color
see the
inside the
porridge.
shell.
Oh, I see. Oh, so everything gets used. What do you shell get used for?
So this here for the lady. And this one is the black bronze, only created from the Tahiti River oyster. It's like the color inside the shells. You can see that. And this one is the South Sea oyster. Created two main colors, golden and silver color. Yes. And it's gonna take 5 to 6 years to get this prawn. Only one oyster, only farming for one prawn. Only one prawn, one oyster. Yes. So in here they are farming and also have certificate for the oyster and the prawn. And you can see the operator in the sideboard. Yeah. Now we can everything, yes, slowly. So now we get to have a free time. The bus will be on the opposite side. The cafe is behind the showroom. You can go here have a look. Yes, try things. It's for free. Try for free. And then the cafe is behind on the other side of the showroom. When everybody ready, I call the driver and pick it up and we go to the station. The station is very near over there. So we may spend around half an hour.
Half an hour.
Thank you, thank you.
Papasok tayo dito sa showroom nila guys. Grabe, sabi naman pearl, yung ito na. Dito na sa showroom na mga pearl. So, para makita natin naman maayos guys. Ang ganda. Tayo naganda yung guys sa stop bus. Ito yung stopover. Galing tayo sa loob sa mga oyster. Nakita sa atin mga pearl doon, marami. So may doon sa showroom nila, hindi nakapasok tayo pero bawal mag-video, bawal mag-video doon. Dahil nakuha ang video. Pero maganda naman nakakuha na natin video. So inantay lang natin yung bus na service namin. Ito yung ating tour guide. Magandang kabuting tour guide dito. So ito tayo sa Halong Bay. Papunta tayo doon sa may cruise ship. Napaganda sa langit. Sobrang mahal ng mga pearl. Grabe, malula ka sa ganda ng mga ginawa nilang sing-sing, ikaw, kwintas, maraming style. Marami siyang style. So, ganda sana dito guys. No? Guys, iikot tayo dito. Tayo sa ibabaw na ng cruise ship. So, ayan. Galing oh. Ito matulis dito sa gitna. Ang dadaanan natin. Ano? So, grabe. Ang kalikasan na binigyan ni Lord. Thank you Lord. Ito. Ganda ng mga bundok. Grabe oh. Oh, 1,000 islands ano to? 1,689 islands. Kanina doon tayo kanina sa una guys, ngayon dito na tayo.
Dito para maganda yung view.
Okay. Ayan guys. Tayo ikot na tayo dito. So yan yung ganda. So mahaba ba ito? Bikot. Balik ko na yung ano natin, cruise ship. Balik na. Sama natin. Shout out sa inyo dyan ha.
Dali. May ballpen pala ako, hindi ko ginagamit.
Ano ba rin nagamit?
Hindi ako lulutang dyan.
Halong.
Lulubog ako. Lulubog ako dyan. Try natin. Dito lang hawakan muna.
Gandang view.
Mamaya sa sunset.
Halong. So, palapit na palapit tayo dito. So marami pa tayo makikita dito mga guys. Ship.
Saan sila nakita?
Ganda.
Like daughter talaga. Bakit? Naapakan niya pala. Like daughter likes. Hi, Uncle Bob, come here.
Ganda, di ba?
Ating phone.
Ano si Uncle Bob? Oh. Hello, Uncle Bob. Shout out.
Just relax.
Xin chào. Mamangha kayo sa napakagandang lugar na ito guys. So, ito yung nakatagong ano dito sa Halong Bay. Napakagandang lugar ito.
This is the T-top island.
Yes.
The one have a small building on the top.
Top, ayan.
Eh, no, may bay.
T-top, not TikTok. T-top.
Titok. Titok kaya lang.
T-top come from Soviet Union.
Ah,
And TikTok come from China.
Okay. Okay. So, palapit na palapit tayo doon.
So we go there. Oh. Yes, that is the city. We go there and go swim off the beach and hiking 400 step. Yeah, to do exercise. Do the weight. Yeah.
Palapit tayo.
Ay, nahanap na naman ni Ate yan.
Ayan guys. Tayo ikot pa tayo dito. So yan yung worship na ganda. So mahaba ba ito?
Yes.
Ayan, bikot. Balik ko na yung ano natin, cruise ship. Balik na. Sama natin. Shout out sa inyo dyan ha.
Dali. May ballpen pala ako, hindi ko ginagamit.
Ano ba rin nagamit?
Hindi ako lulutang dyan.
Halong.
Lulubog ako. Lulubog ako dyan. Try natin. Dito lang hawakan muna.
Gandang view.
Mamaya sa sunset.
Halong. So, palapit na palapit tayo dito. So, marami pa tayo makikita dito mga guys. Ship.
Saan sila na tita?
Ganda.
Like daughter talaga. Bakit naapakan niya pa? Like daughter likes. Hi Uncle Bob, come here.
Ganda, di ba?
Ating phone.
Ano si Uncle Bob? Oh? Hello, Uncle Bob.
Just relax.
Xin chào. Mamangha kayo sa napagandang lugar na to guys. So, ito yung nakatagong ano dito sa Halong Bay. Napakagandang lugar ito.
This is the T-top island.
Yes.
The one have a small building on the top.
Top, ayan.
Ayun, oh, may bay.
T-top, not TikTok. T-top.
Titok. Titok kaya lang.
T-top come from Soviet Union.
Ah,
And TikTok come from China.
Okay. Okay. So, palapit tayo doon.
So we go there. Oh. Yes, that is a city. We go there and can go swim off the beach and hiking 400 steps. Yeah, to do exercise, do the weight. Yeah.
Palapit tayo.
Ay, nahanap na naman yan.
Salita ka na dyan.
Hi! Welcome Halong Bay, Vietnam.
So, nakakatuwa guys. Natuwa kami ni Juan Bella.
Welcome.
Natawag. Paano natin na ship. Dito naman tayo lumipat sa isla na. Punta tayo dito. Mga panindahan dito. Nandun pa nga sila kilo na ante. Kanya-kanyang ano. So yeah, may stuff doon. Ito yung mga cruise ship po. Kanya-kanya, iba-ibang ano.
如果爬到顶就是400多个楼梯，原路返回，中间还有很多观景台，能爬得多高爬多高。所以不想爬可以玩沙滩，沙滩除椅子要收费，如果坐下1秒钟的13万，坐下1整天的13万。
Layo ba picture group eh? Ay, statue. Ano siya, general. Grabe. So, pag-group picture kami dyan. Patulak-tilak kasi yung aming tour guide, nag-aantay lang. Tapos so, kami nasunod guys. Picture muna.
Between Vietnam and 2 p.m. Dito lang kami. Lakas na low ni Bang Bang.